Top 10 fastest animals on Earth and their incredible speeds. The peregrine falcon dives at speeds up to 240 miles per hour, making it the fastest bird. The cheetah sprints at 75 miles per hour, using its flexible spine for incredible acceleration. The sailfish swims at 68 miles per hour, using its streamlined body to cut through water. The pronghorn antelope runs 55 miles per hour, relying on its large lungs and heart for endurance. The Mexican free-tailed bat flies at 60 miles per hour, using rapid wing beats for speed. Follow us for more amazing animal speed facts.